look up until I say so. Got it?
Okay.
Awesome.
And if he does look up the first time, that means for traders only. I'm not sure if that was a touch or...
No, that
was you? Okay.
That was me.
Now I put my arm up just that way it's unheard.
Alright, traders look up. Know who the other traders are. Heads down. Everybody heads up. Alright. So, trader, start in 3, 2, go.
The game's on, guys. Just... So why do I not trust you instantly right off the bat? Just you. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. Yeah. I honestly already didn't trust you.
Pull the sword out and I was like,
You're dead. Yeah. You lie down where you're dead. That's all you do. You lie down where you're dead. So.
Wait, are there teams?
No, there's no teams. There's no teams. So, real fast. Come here.
Is this just a modified Barry Burton?
No, this is Trouble in Terrorist Town. So basically, yeah, this is, I don't know. Yeah, that's basically it. It's Trouble in Terrorist Town is all it is.
Is it started or what?
Yeah, it started.
Are you playing?
Yes.
Accidents don't mean anything in this mode. So don't worry about that. Just worry, if I touch you, you're a traitor. If I did not touch you and just look up, you're innocent and try not to get killed.
What's up?
Go. Also, if you get shot, go ahead and take a knee where you're at. Just sit down or something. Take a load off. It might not be quick.
I was on your team.
Sit.
Oh, I'm an idiot. No,
Then you're dead. Oh, you're dead?
I didn't know that.
Wait, are you dead? Okay, so you can't, like, act dead. No, okay. Okay. So, yeah. Yeah, no, you actually have to look like you're alive.
Oh, I'm alive.
Okay, yeah, no. You can't, like, I wish I could just sit here and just be a traitor and just say whenever somebody comes up, you just nail them.
Well, I heard you shoot and I'm like, okay.
In here. So wait, out of curiosity, who in here is alive?
This is now a free for
No. Yeah, no, you didn't. You did.
You shot me.
Yeah.
So in free-for-all, do we respond at all?
No, it's not a free-for-all. It's Trouble in Terrorist Town, so were you a traitor?
No.
No? Then you're still dead.
Like this be like...
So, yeah, no. Yeah, basically we'd all just sit here and just sing Kumbaya. So, okay, so how's your guys' day going? I mean...
Yeah, I took a look.
Would it be funny?
We're all dead in here.
Would it be funny just to right now?
Yeah. Wait, are you a traitor?
I got a black one like that. No, we're playing free-for-all.
No, we're playing Trouble in Terrorist Town.
You missed it. Hey, Buck, you missed it. Free-for-all.
Oh, we switched to free-for-all?
You missed it.
I was confused as all hell. I was like, why are people shooting at me?
That must be better with people. Regardless, free-for-all or trouble.
I don't know why, like, nobody, like...
Yeah, no, we're both dead still, yeah.
Like, just have to make a move.
Yeah.
I popped one trader.
I popped the other. Friggin', I nailed the guy with the sword. He, like, right off the bat. Yeah.
Oh, did you see who got me?
So is that game over? Or?